A ship full of sailors once watched the sky catch fire. No smoke, no heat, just color bleeding across the stars. Some thought the world was ending that very night. It wasn't. It was something far stranger than that. Ribbons of green and purple light rippling silently overhead. No sound, no warning. Just color, moving like it was alive. Norse sailors believed it was light reflecting off warrior shields. The armor of the Valkyries, choosing who would die in battle. In Finland, they told a different story entirely. A magical fox running across snowy hills, its tail sweeping snow into the sky, sparking into light. For the Inuit, the lights were something far more personal. The spirits of ancestors, dancing in the sky above. Some believed you could call out and the lights would answer. Others warned children never to whistle at them. In China, the lights meant something else again. A battle between good and evil dragons, breathing fire across the sky. Every culture that saw it built its own explanation. Because for thousands of years, nobody actually knew what it was. It only ever appeared far in the north and rarely elsewhere. So most of the world never saw it at all. The real answer was hiding 93 million miles away. The sun constantly throws tiny charged particles into space. A stream scientist later called the solar wind. Earth isn't defenseless against this stream. An invisible magnetic field wraps around the entire planet. Most of the solar wind gets deflected harmlessly around it. But near the poles, the shield bends inward and funnels the particles straight down into the atmosphere. There, they slam into oxygen and nitrogen atoms at incredible speed. That collision releases a burst of pure light. Oxygen glows green or red. Nitrogen glows blue or purple. Millions of these tiny collisions happening at once. That's the ribbon of light people have stared at for centuries. Not spirits, not dragons, just physics lighting up the sky. Early scientists still needed a name for it. One astronomer named it after Aurora, the Roman goddess of dawn. Borealis, meaning of the north. The dawn of the north, a name that still stuck. For centuries, seeing it meant living far enough north already, a rare gift for the people who happened to live there. Everyone else could only hear about it secondhand. Then travel itself became something ordinary people could do, and the lights became something people would cross the world for. Iceland, Norway, Finland, Canada, Alaska, entire towns now build their economy around a single event. Glass-roofed cabins built just so guests can watch from bed. Tour guides drive tourists for hours, chasing clear, dark skies. Apps now predict exactly when the lights might appear. People set alarms for 2 in the morning just to check. Some travelers visit 5, 6, 7 times before finally seeing it. Clouds, timing, solar activity. So much has to align perfectly. And when it finally does, people don't just watch anymore. Phones rise instantly, trying to capture what words can't hold. For a moment, an entire crowd of strangers falls completely silent. The same silence ancient sailors once stood in centuries ago. Different explanations. The exact same reaction. You don't need a myth to feel what they felt. Just a clear night and a sky willing to perform. Somewhere north, right now, it's happening again. Silently, beautifully, whether or not anyone is watching at all.